Welcome to AssistEdge RPA How-To video series. In this video, we will learn how to use the SOAP API activity. The SOAP API activity helps to utilize the SOAP web services over HTTP or HTTPS protocol hosted at a given endpoint. Configuring the SOAP API activity to automate utilizing the SOAP web services includes the following steps. Add an application of type Web API. Use the SOAP API activity. In this video, we will understand the second step of using the SOAP activity in the Automation Studio. Let's look at using the SOAP API activity to call the number conversion service. Create a new API process. In the toolbox, click Process Components to expand the Tool section. Drag the SOAP API activity and drop it onto the process canvas.
In the SOAP API activity, select Application as the added number conversion API.
Click Browse to browse the methods of the service. Select the method to execute. In this case, let's select the number to words method of the number conversion service. In this example, since the intended API call is a POST call, configure the SOAP API activity to execute the POST method. Select the added SOAP API activity and open the Properties and Suggestions window. Select methods is equal to POST if not selected as the preferred method to execute for the added SOAP service. The number to words method expects a number in the integer format and returns the number in word format as an output. Configure the header for the HTTP request. In the SOAP API activity, click Settings and then click Headers. Click Add to add a header. In this case, let's add a header to specify the content type as text or XML sent with the request object. Specify name equals to content type, value equals to text/XML, and the is default should be checked. To hold the result returned by the number conversion service, number to words method, create an argument result with direction is equal to out and argument type as string. To save the output in this result argument, in the SOAP API activity, select Output as Result argument. Now to send the input to this SOAP method, in the SOAP API activity, click Settings and then Input Mapping. In the input box, place the SOAP request for the target method. Click Confirm. Drag and drop a WriteLine activity onto the process canvas to print the output saved in the result argument. Place the WriteLine activity below the SOAP API activity. Print result in the WriteLine activity. Save and test run the process. Verify the output returned by the invoked SOAP web service method. That's all from this how-to video. In the next video, we will understand how to configure the other SOAP API activity parameters. Thank you.